Hey, y'all, let's get this makan going. This is where we eating. It's surrounded by paddy fields. Yes, it is. You see where we at. Makan time, guys. Y'all, it's makan time. We are at Kodai, I, Makan I. Let's eat, y'all. Makan time. Y'all, the kampung village is like the best vibes ever. We rode ATVs. I got to actually farm some prawns, like really with my own hands. I didn't do a good job, but I tried. We got to see how they make honey, like for real. I mean, how the bees do it. I'm sorry, how the bees do it, because it's the bees is doing everything. And I even got lucky enough to get a bottle. They make like 20 bottles a month. I got lucky enough to get one, and I tasted the honey from the hive. Such a great experience, y'all. Got to see a very special reserve where there's like a compound house back there.
Any comments from your mom? Any comments from your mom?
I don't think she's seen it yet. It's nighttime. Got some fresh watermelon juice. I'm literally in heaven right now.